Hello guys, welcome to How to channel. I'm glad you're here. Obviously if you're here, you want to know how to run Facebook ads, right? So Facebook ads are actually a very powerful way of targeting a specific audience. Like for example, let's say you're selling maybe computer peripherals or books, stationery, and stuff like that. You obviously want to target schoolers, people who are in high school, college, varsity, stuff like that. And Facebook gives you a very powerful tool to do just that, or maybe you're a brand ambassador, you want people to know about your label, and your brand, I guess. Um, Facebook gives you a very powerful way to achieve just that. But there is a catch. You gotta pay for it, but it's very cheap. And compared to other methods you can use to advertise, like maybe adverts on television and stuff like that, with comparison to that, um, the prices they offer there on Facebook, they are very affordable and user friendly, Let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you how you run them, how you do this thing, and yeah, let's kick the ball. Let's keep it rolling, people. Yeah. So first and foremost, like when it comes to running Facebook ads, the first thing that you have to know is that you obviously wanna create a Facebook page. You need a Facebook page. Um, so first of all, you have to have a Facebook account, obviously. After having a Facebook account, you have to create Facebook page. I've actually made a video on how to create a Facebook ad. You can see it right there. So after creating a Facebook page, um, you have to post, whatever you are trying to sell or create awareness about. Maybe it might be a video, a picture, or maybe just text. You know, it's up to you how you wanna, what you wanna distribute. You know, and it has to be something that is of quality. So that it can catch the attention of many people who are going to view it. So you have to make sure that the quality of your images or videos is on point. Um, the text, the English, you have to be direct and precise, but very short. You don't have to write a long chapter, like just describing something. Let people reach out to you, then you explain it to them. It's much effective that way. And so once you've done all that, it gives you an option to boost your post, right? So when you're boosting a post, what it's going to need, like it's going to ask you how do you want people like to respond, or to interact with what you are posting, right? It's either you want them to interact via reactions, comments, text messages, or you want them to WhatsApp you. It's options on the table right there. So but the other thing, despite all these methods, they are great, but you have to make sure that whatever you are posting, it falls under the guidelines of Facebook, right? It has its Facebook guidelines, so if you breach those, they will reject your post and whatever you're doing, and it will damage the quality of your page, which means like they will reduce the way they publish, your site or page, whatever, it will to damage the quality of your page, which is a bad thing, especially commercial wise. It's not good, so you have to be careful. You have to read their guidelines, understand their advertising policies, then you're good to go. And also, like when you're boosting, you're gonna choose the demographics, like you're targeting a specific area, a city, country, town, something like that. So um, that's actually great because let's say you are selling shoes, right? Selling shoes. So many people, there are some people who don't wish to purchase things online because there's a lot of scammers and stuff like that. So you might find out that like most of your clients, they prefer like in-person interaction. They want to interact with you in person. In that case, you're gonna have to target people who are in the same town as you know. So it's much easier with Facebook. You can do that, unlike on television, like everyone in the world is going to see that. So that's a con. You feel me? So yeah. So that's it for the demographics, and also you're gonna the demographics, it also falls under like let's say you're gonna have to take it the audience, right? The audience is the people who are going to see your post, right? So you can actually choose the age. You can target a specific age group that you want like your post to be shown to. That age group can range from 18 years of age up to like 65 plus. you know so let's say you are selling condoms, right? You're gonna have to target like people who are 18 and above. You are selling computer gadgets, you're selling stationery, you're gonna have to target people who are 14 years and maybe up to like 45 and stuff like that, or even 18 to 65, because you're targeting students, you're targeting the youth, you're targeting old people. They probably have children who are in school or still in school and stuff like that. So like those are type of things that you have to look at when you're targeting an audience. It just depends on what is it that you're selling, or what is it that you are creating awareness for. So these are great. People, they might underestimate this thing because it's simple to carry out. So they think, no man, like this can be real. I don't think this thing works, but it really does. And the other thing is you can actually choose the duration, as in like how long do you want your ad to run. How long you want your ad to run will determine how much you are going to pay for it. But you can actually choose a range, as in like, okay, you want to use this specific amount in a day. Let's say you want to use the minimum is actually 17.56 rand. That's around $1.20 or something like that, somewhere around those areas. So when you're choosing that duration, you have to keep in mind how much you're going to pay. Some people, they can go as 150 rand a day or more. It just depends, like how much people do you want your post to be shown to. How much you pay will determine your audience. Like the amount of people who are going to be reached by your ad. So those are the things you have to include. You have to have a plan. You have to like understand, okay, this amount will actually make me have this amount of reach. For like 40 rands, which is like $3 or less. Your ad will be reached to like a lot of people. See, it can range from 456 people to about. So guys, once you figure out how much you want to spend on an ad, then you go ahead and execute the process. You post your post. But the thing is, you also have to create an ad account. Firstly, that's the first thing you do. You create a Facebook ad account, and it's very simple. Like it won't even take you like 2 minutes. All they need is you need to have your credit card, you need the CVV, yes, you need the credit card number, you need you don't even need your PIN. You don't have to use your PIN. You just credit card number, CVV, and the expiry date. That's all. But first of all, you have to trust Facebook with that kind of information. But so far, I've been running Facebook ads. I've never had a problem with them at all. They take the exit amount that's due for them, you know. So like, I appreciate like the platform, what it does, what I'm capable of doing with it. You know, you can use it also to just promote your page. If you want a lot of people to realize your Facebook page, you can also promote your page using that same Facebook ad. So it's a great way to target people who are interested in what you are doing, you know, for a much cheaper price. So guys, I hope this video was very helpful to you. So yeah, cheers. See you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.